Hey, it's Colin again with MNI Direct in Rock Hill. Today I have Angelina Sedum, also called stonecrop. Believe it or not, this is the same plant here. This is what it looks like when the foliage tends to emerge in the spring, and this is what it usually looks like in the fall and winter time after it's experienced some cold. This plant is pretty much a ground cover. It's very succulent-like, thick, waxy, needly foliage that just kind of runs right across the ground. It gets yellow flowers on it in the summertime when it's really hot, and these plants love the heat. Great for a rock garden, or people have done them in water features. They love being dry. I would never water this plant really after it's established in the first year. These plants love hot and dry, which can be strategically planted. That means low maintenance for the customer. So we've got plenty of these in 4-inch containers here in Rock Hill. Visit us at one of our 4 locations to grab some sedum. Allie says this looks like strawberries, so let's let y'all be the judge.